This is the Daily Note from jamesabrown.net. Walk down any street where potholes are patched and graffiti gets painted over and streetlights work. Then walk down a street where none of that happens. You feel the difference immediately, because a maintained street says someone cares about this place, and a rough street says no one's looking here. Order signals competence, and disorder signals abandonment. The message you send with neglect is louder than any single policy. It says that we gave up on this place, and anyone who comes through there feels it, whether you want them to or not. What do you think? Let me know on jamesabrown.net. On that note, I'm James A. Brown, and as always, be well.